welcome back to another video. This video is very exciting. It is very everything. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to look expensive on a budget. I'm gonna be showing you some design replicas. Just put a disclaimer, okay? If you do not like replica designers, if you're not into dupes and stuff, then click off this video. I don't want to hear anybody negative comments in the section. I don't want to hear nobody tearing their edges about this video. Listen, girl, bye, okay? So I'm gonna show you baddies how to look good for the low. I got all these items from dokicks.ru, and they also have a second website, is perfectkicks.ru. Make sure you subscribe, girl, because I am the plug when it comes to everything affordable. I'm the plug when it comes to looking good for the low. I'm the plug to give you all of the advice you need. Girl, you need me in your life, okay? Let's get on to this video. What I got from the website, I got a Gucci t-shirt and I got a Gucci hoodie. So this is the t-shirt right here. Let's look at the packaging so far. The packaging comes in like this little plastic, and it says Gucci on the front, and then in the back it just says warning, you know, this bag is not a toy, etc. It's so pretty. So let's look at the details. So the details on this, it says Gucci, made in Italy, the tag, and the tag is so legit. The quality is pretty good. Like, I got the Gucci picture, which looks like this, and I think this is a men's size, so I got a small in this. It's so pretty, guys. Like, the quality is so good. Like, the letters, it has like the little sparkly. For the pic, it is not ironed on. It actually look like it's sewn on. It really feels like high quality. Like, this is a pretty good replica. Like, what made me choose this shirt is from Shane Dawson. I know y'all watch him. He got this shirt from Jeffree Star. Like, girl, this shirt is cute. I didn't even know they had a pink shirt. And this is so nice. Like, I'm loving this. So I'm gonna just put this on for you guys so you can see how she's fitting, okay? So good. Like, this looks so good, guys. It is an oversized shirt, and it also says that on the Gucci website. It's an oversized Gucci shirt. And let's just say, honey, I am giving you style. I am giving you quality. I have these shorts. These little leggings actually match it too. So these will look great with like some black leggings, some jeans, any color leggings. You can definitely like really switch it up, really make a nice outfit with this. Because you can put any color, like red, blue, green, and it will pop so much. So yeah, I'm loving it. And this is the back, the side, and yeah, guys, excellent quality. And I'll also be inserting pictures on the side of a more close-up because this ring light is bright AF. But yeah, I'm loving this. Like, it just feels so good. It doesn't feel like a shirt that was, you know, just ironed on and it was just like, no girl, this is cheap. It feels very good, and I love the fitting of it. The fitting, it just feels very comfortable. It's not tight whatsoever. Yeah, and that's pretty much, girl. And it's definitely spot on to the real thing. I would wear this shirt. Like, I don't care if it's a replica, I would definitely wear this shirt, because this shirt, the real price of this shirt is like $1,000, almost $2,000, and girl,
who's paying that much for a shirt?
Like, I don't care how rich you say you are, how, you know, if you find something cheap that look like the exact same thing, you will get it. But yeah, this shirt is so cute. Like, the sparkles, everything just pops. It is everything. I don't want to take it off because it's so cute. Like, girl, imagine your outfits in the shirt. Your outfit's gonna look good. It's gonna look nice, girl. Like, hey, 1 out of 10. This is the Gucci hoodie, and let's just say this has to be, and guys, this is my first time trying on any of these things. Like, I literally didn't try them on whatsoever. I'm literally just trying them on, so this is like a first impressions also. So yeah, this is a Gucci hoodie. I am in love with this. It is so spot on from the real thing. It's have like different places: Dubai, New York,
Dubai.
Dubai. I don't know, girl. Like, I don't know how to pronounce Dubai. I'm from New York, but Dubai, Roma, Paris, London. It had like all these different places on it, and it's so cute. I love the rainbow words. As you see, I got rainbow everything. I just wanted something colorful. I just wanted something different. I wanted something that pops, okay? So let me just stand up for you guys. So the fit is pretty good. Now the hoodie has some like lint and my hands ashy. Oh my god. Oh god. So the hoodie has some lint on it because that's my fault, because my fat wabbly dabbly cat gonna sit on my damn hoodie and I can't get all the hair off. But yeah, so if you see some lint, don't mind that. That's from my fat ass cat. But yeah, so the hoodie fits so good. It's definitely a men's size. It fits, I wouldn't say it fits big, but you know, this is how, ooh girl, I can't even, hold up. I can't even, hold up. So yeah, this is how, if the shirt is not like tucked like that and you just put it straight down, this is how it looks. Pretty good. You can wear this with leggings, girl. Honestly, with leggings, jeans, distressed jeans, anything you want. Like, this is the perfect outfit. You can put it with black leggings, dark blue leggings, red leggings, or if you want to go colorful, girl, put some yellow, green, pink, orange, rainbow, all of that. So yeah, I'm loving it. Very good quality. The hoodie is very good quality. It doesn't feel cheap whatsoever. Material is very thick. Not thick to where, oh my god, it's like too hot. It's very thick to where, like, girl, this is good for the winter time. You know, getting into the springtime, it's a little bit chilly outside. This is the perfect hoodie. Spot on from the real hoodie. Hoodie is too much money and ain't nobody got time for that. Leave that over there, because we ain't finna do that, okay? Sure, if it come in women's size, I think it just come in the men's size, but honestly, this is good for women's, men's. It is good. People might feel a way about this, but honestly, girl, listen, ain't nothing wrong with it. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Now, I'm not saying go outside with a Gucci bag that has backwards, upside down G's on it. Nice designer, some nice, you know, name brand stuff, and you can't really afford it. This is the perfect website for you. A lot of websites out there that sell replica stuff, and they are overpriced. Like, you might as well save up to buy the real thing. But this website is not overpriced whatsoever. The prices are very reasonable. The shipping was actually very fast. It took about 4 to 5 days. You might ask, oh, is this legit? Are they a scam? And I know how it can be like, oh my god, it's a scam, because you might just automatically think they're a scam because they're selling replica items. But this item is very legit. It is very known. Like, this is the only known replica website that I know that's actually known. The other websites are just bootleg, okay? I got Gucci. I got Gucci. I got Gucci. Give this video a like. Give this video a comment. Subscribe. Love you, doll babies, all so much, and slay until your edges fall off.